Hello my friends, today in this video, I will show you how to make your own remote controller circuit, without using any IC, and will work with both DC and AC appliances. And the best part, it can also be controlled by motion sensing too. So, watch the video till the end without skipping any part, so that you can understand better. Use a 1N4007 diode, and solder with coil pins of relay. Take a BC547 NPN transistor, and solder pin 1 with anode side of this diode. Use 1 kilo ohms resistor, connect with base of transistor. Now use this TTP223 touch sensor module, and solder middle pin with resistor, and ground pin with transistor's emitter. And solder VCC pin with cathode side of this diode. Now use IR receiver diode, and solder cathode over here. Use 100 ohms resistor, and solder with module VCC pin and anode of IR receiver. Now use IR emitter diode, and solder cathode side with emitter of transistor. Take a 220 ohms resistor and solder across VCC pin and anode side of IR emitter. Connect these small pads together, marked with B. I used alligator clip wires for input. Solder positive wire here, and negative wire over here. First we will test with DC load, so solder common and coil pins of relay together. I used this LED module for testing. Solder LED here for output. And here is the circuit diagram for the reference. Now it's time for testing the circuit with remote. Also, it can be controlled with motion sensing. Now for controlling AC load, desolder common and coil pins of relay. Take a plug connected with load, and cut one wire for adding switching control. Solder with NC and common pin. For testing, I used bulbous load. Connect plug in AC outlet. And now you will be able to control AC load too. You can switch load with both remote and motion sensing. But, still we need to use DC to operate this circuit. So, I simply made some modifications in this circuit, and added low power transformer less AC to DC circuit, and added some other components for limiting the voltage to 5 volts, to power up the rest of the circuit. To avoid messing up on pref board, I converted the schematics into the PCB. For easy assembly, I ordered PCBs from JLC PCB. Get 1 to 8 layer PCBs for just $2. Efficient large scale production reduces costs, and bringing you PCBs in unbeatable prices. And then I prepared the PCB for its components. So, let's place all the components into the PCB according to the circuit diagram. And after spending some time with the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl. And here our PCB looks nice and clean. Now you need TTP223 touch sensor module. And connect the B pads together. And on back side, solder on corner of the module, and connect the extension pin. Connect it at its place on PCB. And solder all the pins with PCB. Use AC plug connected with load, and cut one wire for switching control. Connect these wires in this connector. To operate directly on AC, connect AC input into this connector. I used this plug for AC input. Before any further ado, let me tell you that you can also order the same PCB for this project, without messing up on pref board. Just go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. JLC PCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your Gabber file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity and color of the PCB as per your requirements. Quality and lead time is reliable, all in-house production, ensuring stability and strict quality control in every process, and lightning fast PCB production, in just 24 hours. And then you can save to the cart for the checkout process. Also don't miss JLC PCB's 6-layer PCB special, get $30 off with a coupon, and enjoy top quality 6-layer PCBs, plus 2 UENIG finish, and no engineering fees for wire-in pads. Now back to the testing. Connect circuit into the AC outlet. As you can see, it works perfectly with the both motion sensing switching, and will also work with the remote. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.